Let's talk about why contractors need content marketing. So I work with hundreds of businesses all over the country, and a gap and an opportunity that I have identified is that there is a huge room for home services businesses to capture market share through content marketing. There are some that are doing it really well, and the ones that are thriving, but many home services businesses aren't doing much content marketing at all. And I think it's such an easy way for you to position yourself as a position of authority and a source of resources for your community. And I think a really powerful way for you to drive leads and to help grow your business. But remember, if we're gonna do content marketing, there's one main rule. And that rule is to never sell again. Stop selling. We do not want to use content marketing for selling. Instead, what we want to do is we want to use content marketing to either educate, entertain, or inspire. And so be thinking about your business and be thinking about ways where you could be producing content that is either educational, entertaining, or inspiring. I wanted to talk through a few ideas I had for contractors and people in the home services space to help get your gears turning a little bit on content marketing ideas. The first one is project showcases. So I think there's a really cool opportunity to do before and after type content to show the transformation of the work that you've done and the impact that you have on people's lives and their homes and the places where they're going to live. And what a powerful way to do that by capturing content before your project and afterwards and really show that transformation. Another one is a great opportunity to be entertaining and to simultaneously do social media marketing and SEO is to write blog posts about questions that you're regularly asked. What you'll want to do is think about the questions that you're asked often in your business, turn and write that into a blog post, publish that blog post to your website, and then share that blog link as a social media post to your social media channels. This is a great way for you to position yourself as a source of authority and build thought-provoking educational type content, while also building backlinks and driving traffic to your website and boosting your SEO performance while you're at it. Another one is testimonials. So one of the most powerful things that we can do is have our customers tell people how great of a job we did instead of us saying how great of a job we did. So don't be afraid to ask your customers for testimonials. Odds are they're pretty excited about the work that they've had done. And if you can make it easy for them to give you a quick 30-second testimonial, it'll be one of the most powerful pieces of content you can produce. Another one is kind of finished project hype reels is what I call it, but a really cool opportunity to get creative, show the details, show the expertise and the craftsmanship in the work that you've done, and then edit that together in a real fun, hypey, kind of exciting reel to show people how powerful your work is. Another one is problem solving. So don't forget that people are hiring you because you're an expert in your industry. And because of that, you're really good at overcoming challenges and solving problems while you're in the field or at the job site. And I think that's a great opportunity for you to showcase your expertise and to authentically show the problems that you're solving. So that inevitable hang up that you run into at the job site every day, show that and then walk through how you solve it. It will position you in a really powerful way that you're solution oriented, you're problem solving, and people will trust that they're hiring a true expert. Also show job progress. Time lapses are a really fun way to do that. The different stages of the project can help educate people on why you're so expensive or why they need to pay the quality prices to hire a quality company like yourself. Share customer reviews. When people leave you a review on your Google business profile, super easy to take that text, put it over an image or a video, share that out as a social proof of your business. And another one I really love is meet the team. So it's a great opportunity for you to highlight the team members that are within your organization. And what we have found is that Meet the Team post accomplishes two things. One is they're really great at building company culture and helping with retention and recruitment and showing people how great of a company you are to work for. But second is it really builds trust in your community. People really like when they can put a face to the name, they can feel comfortable about who's going to be coming to their home or their yard or their outdoor space and actually doing the work. And so Meet the Team is a great way for you to engage with multiple audiences as well, because chances are that team member is going to share the post and their family and their friends are going to see it as well. And then lastly, share your company values. You've worked really hard to build a quality company that people can trust, and now's your opportunity to give people some insight into why your company is the way it is. So if you've done the work to build your company values or your mission statement or your brand pillars or whatever it might be, there's a great opportunity for you to put some of that out there and start building that authority in that space. Remember that the goal with content marketing and social media marketing is to create a community. And so after all of that, the other thing you have to do is engage with other people's content. So go in and like things, go in and comment on them, share relevant posts, and start to build that digital community. As long as you never sell again, and remember to either educate, entertain, or inspire. And if you lean into content marketing in an authentic way, I promise you it'll have a profound impact on your service business, and excited to see you grow.